Today, we're showing you how to unlock cashless convenience and enhance security by seamlessly linking your PayPal account to Uber Eats, eliminating the need for direct credit card use. First, open your Uber Eats app once it's loaded. Locate and tap on the account icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will bring up your account menu. From here, you'll want to select Wallet. This is where all your payment methods are managed. On the wallet screen, look for Add Payment Method and give it a tap. This will allow you to add new ways to pay for your delicious orders. Now, you'll see a list of available payment options. Find PayPal in the list and select it. This initiates the connection process. The Uber Eats app will now securely redirect you to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email address and password carefully. After successfully logging in, PayPal will ask for your permission to connect with Uber Eats. Simply review the details and then tap Agree and connect to authorize the link. And just like that, your PayPal account is now securely linked to your Uber Eats. You'll see PayPal listed as an available payment option in your wallet. Now, when you go to place your next order, simply select PayPal as your preferred payment method at checkout. It's that easy. Enjoy the ease and added security of paying for your Uber Eats orders with PayPal, knowing your transaction is protected. Happy ordering!